please hit subscribe and change it to past tense.
Hi Speechies, it's Lisa. Welcome back to Speech Fairies. Today I have a Banana Blast game, which is a reinforcing game. The game that makes you go bananas. It's from Goliath Games, it's ages 4 and up, and it's 2 to 5 players. I thought I would review this one because it could be used as a reinforcer video in some telepractice. So we'll go through the game, and if you need to pause it while you're working on your targets, you can do that. Here's the back of the box. I picked this up at Walmart in kind of winter time 2020. This is Banana Joe, and he's a greedy little monkey. He wants to keep all the bananas to himself. So first, roll the die, then pick out a banana. But watch out, he might pop. It has bananas on top. And instructions. Here's our base. Here's our monkey. And here are our bananas. So we're going to get all these parts out of the bag. Here's our base. It almost is exactly like the jumping jack rabbit game that I will link down in the description box below. And here's our cute little monkey. He's very cute. And look at his tail. He's so cute. So this one doesn't need batteries. You can get children to say their targets while we're putting the bananas in and getting the game ready to set up. I'll put in the first one and snap. And now's a good time to do your target before I put in another one. 2, 3. Time to do another one. 4. And again. 5. And again. 6. 7. 8 bananas. 9 bananas. 10 bananas. 11 bananas. There's our dice. We need to put the stickers on. And 12 bananas. So it's really, really cute. It's ready to go. This is when we snap on our monkey. He's kind of squishy. So you can either roll the dice. So we need to put the dice together. I usually just do it one by one. Ready? Let's do another target. Nothing happened. Okay, so let's do another target. Oh, nothing happened. Let's do another target. Oh, nothing happened. We say another target. Oh, nothing happened. We say another target. Oh, nothing happened. So every time you have to say your words, and then we pull out a banana. Nothing happened. Nothing happened. 3 more bananas, 4 more bananas. Ah! This was the special banana. So we have to start over again. It will be a different banana next time. We just don't know which one it will be. Okay, we'll put monkey back in. And then we'll try again. 1, 2. This banana? Nope. 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 This banana? Which banana is it? There's only 4 left. Nope. Oh, there it is. He popped again. So it's a cute little game, just a quick reinforcer. And again, I'm trying to record my videos so that if you want to use them as a reinforcer during telepractice, you can. So that one is Banana Blast. You can let me know if you like this type of video by hitting subscribe, giving us a thumbs up. You can ring the bell beside the word subscribe, and that will give you an email notification when we upload a new video. Our comments are turned off as the contents of this video may be appealing to children. You think? Instead, we've set up our Instagram so that you can leave us a comment over on Instagram at Speech Fairies, all one word. I want to thank everyone for watching, and we'll see you very soon. Bye for now, everyone.